okay. I guess just don't mind my hair. I'm in the middle of getting ready because, you know, I'm going out. Yes, I am. I am going out. Okay, I'm just gonna try it right in this clip for a second. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb my hair first because, you know, let's get this craziness under control. But, you know, I can't find my normal comb, so it's gonna have to do. But, how are you guys? How are things? You know, how's life? What are you up to? Like, what are you working on at the minute? You said we're going back to school, because I know people will be going back to school now soon. In, like, literally, I think about 2 weeks. So, yeah. That's pretty exciting, isn't it? But, yeah, so I'm going out tonight because I wasn't going to go out. I wasn't supposed to be out tonight because, you know, I do have videos to edit and stuff. But, you know, it's because I work at Museum. I don't know if I'll show my vlog later. Who knows where that'll take us. But she'll be going back home on Wednesday, so we're just gonna bring her tonight, you know, for like kind of like last night out in Asheville. Exciting. And yeah, so I'm also gonna go because I want to have these memories to look back on. And yeah, I was gonna wash my face because I can feel my skin like just like drying out. So yeah, I know it's been like a few days since, you know, I've seen you last time I seen you. I think I was in the class at Maeve and we were telling you that we went to see Annabelle and stuff. A really scary movie, but like it wasn't really good scary movie. Like, you know, I've seen like a few scary movies like in my day, in my time here on earth. I've seen like a few scary ones. Annabelle, not very scary. But like I still like jump in my seat most times. So, you know, if that's what you want, I'd recommend it. But if you're looking for like a good like storyline kind of horror movie, no. I think Paranormal Activity had a better storyline, to be honest. So yeah, exciting times. I'm going to Galway in a few weeks with Tara, just to do shopping and like look around Galway and stuff. So that'll be a fun vlog. You know how Tara is already, but I just heard she's in like 90% of my videos, so you know that'll be fun. There's a lot of vegan restaurants up there, she was saying, so you know we're definitely gonna be hitting them up. There's also some cocktail places, so you know we'll be hitting them up as well. Also there's some nice shops for like, you know, clothes and stuff, so we'll be hitting them up as well. Also, you know what I really want to do? Like, my dream car is a Range Rover Evoque. Like, did I say that clear enough? A Range Rover Evoque. That's my dream car. Like, I don't care if I'm a billionaire in a motor and like I can afford any car I want. I'll still be wanting the Range Rover Evoque. It's just like I've been like looking for ages now. Right, so I thought like whilst I put on like my BB cream and everything, I could look through some comments and stuff and like just read them out to you and like just say how thankful I am, because I am like super thankful, and it actually makes my day so much when I get comments, like, because I just love reading them. So the first one is from Emma Maria. Now, Emma Maria's channel, right? Okay, so I was on, oh my god, oops, I was on YouTube one day, right? And you know like when you get like, my foot is like on numb. Okay, you know, you get like, you know, suggested videos and whatever. Alright, Emma Maria was one of the channels that was suggested to me with like her Homer haul video, like that came up my suggested, and I was like, oh my god, that looks so fun. Didn't know who she was, like, and I'm actually so mad that I didn't, because, you know, I am just like obsessed with her channel now. But anyway, that video came up and I like clicked onto it, whatever, watched it, loved it, like, and then I noticed that she like sounded Irish, but like, you know, you can never be too sure someone's nationality or whatever. So like I was kind of like, is she Irish? So I just thought I'd chance it out and like comment and just see if she's Irish, whatever, and just like say how much I love all the items in her haul, because I do, I thought they were so nice. So yeah, if you hear like thump music upstairs, that's my brother, you know. It's a party house, this one. Not really. Okay, this is like really annoying me. This is, I'm just gonna bring you guys closer again. So see, this is what I do. I just put all over my face like that, and then I just, you know, blend it in. But yeah, so I commented on her video anyway, and then next thing, it got like a heart, and then she responded, and I was like, oh my god. And I was at work this time, so I couldn't reply back straight away. Because those of you who don't know, I do have a summer job where I work as a waiter. I know, so fun. But like, I'm getting sick of it now. So we only have a week left. But anyway, back to the topic at hand. So Then I like got a notification on, I got commented on one of my videos, and I was like from Emma Maria, God, I can't remember what it is. And I was like, oh my god. Because like normally when you comment on a video, I don't expect like, you know, that they're gonna come and like look at my channel. Like that's not why I would comment on a video. But like I was like so shocked. I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I like, when I seen it, I like stopped what I was doing and I went on and I checked what was commented, and I'll show you now. But she is Irish. I did get that confirmation. She is Irish, so I thought this is so fun, like another Irish YouTuber, you know, because I support your own as well as like everyone else in this community, like because Ireland's like not a very big place, and there's a lot of influencers in Ireland that like, you know, you don't really know of, like because like, you know, it's not like a massive thing it's getting there. YouTube is getting there here, like in Ireland, like it still is a big thing, but like it's not, it wouldn't be as like big it is like in America. But yeah, it's just like so amazing. So I'll read it out to you now when I do this, because you know I don't want like to get like patchy spots, so it's gonna keep blending it in, and I use my fingers, don't judge me. But like if you remember my videos last year, I used to use this other BB cream. It's like a heavier one. This one's like a lighter one. It's like a moisturizer as well, because I'm going for a more natural look, and I used to put like, you know, bronzer and stuff like here and around here, but I just don't do that anymore because I just don't like it anymore. I don't like putting like products on my skin when I don't have to. I'm not saying that like, you know, I don't have to, like obviously like, you know, it looks 10 times better if I did, but I just don't feel the need to, because I'm happy like with my skin and who I am. So no shade to anyone out there who does that, because you know, if I had the time or the patience, you know, I probably would, but like it gets expensive buying all that product. So anyway, let me read her comment. Okay, so she goes, James, exclamation mark, so happy you commented on my video because now I found your fab channel. Love the dress for change up, exclamation mark, fab idea X. And I was like, oh my god. Emma Maria likes my upcycled DIY idea, and I was like, oh thank you, was actually raging YouTube, only now decided to recommend your videos to me. And I was like, why haven't, like, but that's the thing, like the weird thing about YouTube is there's so much YouTube channels out there that you just don't hear of because YouTube doesn't recommend them to you, and then they pop up and like you're like, oh my god, where has this literally been like my whole 5 years I've been watching YouTube. So yeah, then let's go on to another comment, shall we? Amy Gunning. Okay, let me just tell you about this girl. She is actually the sweetest like ever. Like, so she posted on her Instagram story about my channel, which I was like so, oh my god, like grateful for, because like there was no need, like she didn't have to do that, like, but like she done it, and like I was like, wow. I was at work at the time, I remember, and I remember Tara was there as well, and Tara was like, oh my god, to see Amy's story, and I was like, yeah, I know, like I was freaking out, like I was like, this is so crazy. So Amy commented on one of my videos. She said, love this, definitely want to purchase. The honey jewelry ones. Thank you Amy for your comment, much appreciated. She also has a YouTube channel if you want to go, you know, check that out. She's vlogging like her whole, like, you know, life, whatever she does. She went abroad there for a while and she done like this Gael talk class thing. Really interesting, definitely recommend watching. And then this guy called Kane, I'm gonna read this one, then I'm gonna like pick out my outfit and then we'll look at some more. Then this other guy goes, called Kane Josh, says, hey JMC, exclamation mark, just found your YouTube channel and want to tell you you have a ton of potential. Just a quick tip at first I was like, oh that's so nice, like, you know, like what a nice comment, like, you know, you have a ton of potential, like, you know, that's such a nice thing to hear. So like it really is, isn't it? Just a quick tip to help you grow, which I'm unsure if, okay, so just a quick tip to help you grow, which I'm unsure if it's because of the mic or not, but with people going through videos very fast, you want to capture their attention quickly with a voice easy to understand. Keep the great videos, can't wait to see more. So, you know, I just said, thank you so much for advice, much appreciated. Oh my god, you just made my day. Thanks for watching. Because actually I was like the fact that someone was offering like constructive criticism, like constructive feedback, is just like amazing. Okay, so we're gonna leave it there, okay, and I'll read you some more then. That's a lot here. Don't know if I'm gonna get you all done. But yeah, so I'll come back to you in a minute. I'm thinking I'm just trying not to show anything in the background because my room is actually like back there. So I'm just gonna show you the side that you've already seen. Just these jeans. I'm not even gonna show you anymore because just in case you're gonna see my room. I'm gonna bring it over to the side that you've already seen. Okay, so I'm just wearing these jeans. Really easy, simple. I got them in my new fashion haul, which I haven't seen, you know. Click up here, go watch. It's, you know, a good one. And then just add some, you know, color. I'm gonna put on this oversized mustard colored shirt. You know, simple. I'm just looking in the mirror to see if that looks actually okay before I go. Yeah, I love this. This is really nice. Like, you know, fun, you know. It's exciting. Okay. Just picking out some jewelry now, but like, while I'm picking out jewelry, I thought maybe, you know, I might read you guys another comment. Okay, so this one is from Daniela Desiwu. If I'm pronouncing these names wrong, I'm sorry. Your idea sounded really good. This was to my interior architecture experience, you know, in college. Don't even start, you know, don't even start. Then also I got a comment from Marilyn Rose, but for my interior designer plays Minecraft. Beautiful interior design, big house, so modern. Oops, where is it gone? Watching from Tempai in Taiwan, which, you know, I think is really cool. So let me see which jewelry I'm gonna wear. What will I wear? I'm thinking I wanna wear this one, the whole new one. Oh my god, I sneeze. Oh, damn. Okay, so definitely gonna wear the whole new one. So I'm gonna slide that on here, you know, just like that. It's a nice, pretty little small one. And then I'm gonna put on a few chains. Huh? Okay. Okay, so I'm thinking about wearing that, and then will I wear like gold jewelry? Would gold jewelry look kind of cool with this? Yeah, it would actually, you know. Gold jewelry is what I'm gonna go with. So I have a few different like chains here. I might like mix it up, mix metals, you know, see where we end up. So I'm just gonna move this over here. Okay. Oh, yeah, but what I was saying there about the Range Rover Evoque is that like that's my dream car, but I want to like test drive it because I just like, you know, to really cement in that, you know, want for it, because I might even like it when I like actually, you know, go see it, and also like to keep me motivated and stuff, because, you know, once I become rich and famous, that's what I'm gonna buy first. Or once I make any sort of income, that's what I'm gonna buy. Okay. Oh, I mean, I kind of like two's nice. I kind of want something up higher though, that's the thing. See, girls, this is where you have it lucky. You can wear earrings and stuff, and it kind of brings like the level down, so it kind of looks, you know, cool. Wait. Let's do this quickly. Okay, well, you know what, I'm just gonna, you know, finish getting ready and I'll talk to you in a second. Oh, bracelet, Jesus. Can't believe we forgot it, almost forgot about the bracelet. How could we do that? I was gonna wear this on my pinky, but some falls off all the time. And I do not need that stress tonight, so maybe will we go with like, this is silver cufflink that comes down. That might be cute. Or we could do the, ow, 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 ow. Okay. This one, you know, because that's a little pearl that drops down, you know. But then we're wearing gold bracelets. No bracelets tonight. Oh, we could wear the Swarovski one. That could look cool because, I mean, this goes with everything. Yeah. Looks so good with the mustard. Just like that. Guys, I'm just so obsessed. Isn't that just like the most beautiful like a bracelet you've ever seen in your whole entire life? Because if it isn't, what are you still doing here?
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who